Alright, so we have this Samsung microwave oven. And the problem with this microwave is that it's making a humming noise. It's making a loud noise because it's not the capacitor is the problem, or the transformer is the problem, or the magnetron is the problem. The problem is on top here. Right, so normally it's supposed to have a circuit board on top here. Now that circuit board is a noise filter, but in this case, this microwave ain't come with that. Alright, so the microwave ain't come with a noise filter. So what is a noise filter? This is a noise filter, right? What I have here is another noise filter, right? So this is a noise filter. This has to be on top here. Now the reason for the noise filter is that whenever you use a microwave, the noise filter is to prevent it from making a lot of noise, right? So without this noise filter, the microwave will be making a little louder noise. So what I don't understand is why Samsung making a microwave, without noise filter. I don't know if they forget to put the noise filter, but they're not there. So if your microwave is making loud noise, chances are it don't have a noise filter. Alright, so that's about it. So thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, leave a comment below, and until next time, good luck with your repairs.